724 by MFK was my scent of the day today, and it's a very misunderstood fragrance that I think gets a much poorer rating, and it's not spoken about as highly as it is deserved. 724 is a very, very clean and ultra safe fragrance to wear. What it's trying to do is be a fragrance that you can wear to any situation, any occasion. Doesn't matter what you're doing, what time of day, what time of year, whether it's day, night, winter, summer, it doesn't matter what the situation is. You wear 724 and you're just going to smell very hygienic and freshly showered. That's the idea behind 724, and I do love the actual story that they tell about it. 724 I guess means like 24/7, and there's a city skyscraper on the back. So the idea behind this is that you could be a busy person working an office job in a city like New York, and then you're going out for dinner or drinks after the work day. You haven't got time to go home, shower, put on a fresh fragrance, so you could wear this and it's just suitable for the office and for a dinner or drinks evening after work. There are a few fresh fragrances in the designer category that are similar. One that really comes to mind is the new YSL Myself. That's a very clean and easy to wear, fresh laundry type fragrance, but this is a little bit more floral in my opinion than 724. This for me is the best in its class. So if I want to smell like, you know, freshly ironed laundry sheets, the one fragrance that comes to mind is 724. I suppose Prada L'Homme is also in this list as well. You could also substitute Prada L'Homme, the original one, for 724. But this is much more long lasting than Prada L'Homme. This lasts all day. It's really good performance. It smells almost like a bouquet of flowers, but not like a strong floral smell. It has this airy, clean laundry, slightly metallic smell. It just smells very airy, very clean, and it's ultra safe and versatile. If you love the very clean, slightly metallic, fresh laundry sheet style fragrances, a fragrance to wear after a shower, a fragrance you can take traveling with you and spray it on when you want to refresh yourself, I really recommend trying 724. Yes, MFK is an expensive brand, but you always get high quality. I love MFK fragrances. Some people say that the brand is too expensive, but I think for the quality you get in MFK fragrances, it's worth it. When compared to other niche brands that charge a similar price, MFK always delivers on quality, and I always get good performance with his fragrances. So my fragrance of the day was 724, so I smelled very clean, hygienic and fresh all day. Let me know, what did you wear today?